7 divided by 7 gives us 1, and also 7 divided by 7 also gives us 1, and 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. This is right, but obviously this is not the answer for this expression. So you fell for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker, and that's the order of operations. You didn't follow the correct order of operations. That's why you ended up with a wrong answer. But what is the correct order of operations? It is a rule that is internationally accepted by the mathematicians and scientists, and it is called PEMDAS. It is an acronym. Let's see what PEMDAS stands for. P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction, and this gives us an arrow of priority from the highest to the lowest priority. So what PEMDAS tells us is that you must go for parentheses at first, then go for exponents, then for multiplication and division from left to right. They have the same priority and precedence, and go for finally go for addition and subtraction. So that being said, let's do the original expression, which is the meat and potatoes of our today's class and video. So for God's sake, learn PEMDAS once for all. Never be lost. Learn PEMDAS. Do we have any parentheses in the original expression? No, but you assumed probably that these are inside the parentheses. So never assume there are parentheses if you don't see any parentheses. No parentheses, no exponents, just division. Go from left to right. 7 divided by 7 at first gives us 1. Divided by 7, divided by 7. Go from left to right again. 1 divided by 7 gives us 1 over 7, and then divided by 7. Whenever you have the division sign, turn it into the multiplication and reciprocate, or swap the number into the fraction. So the upper part to the lower part. So reciprocate. Pay attention to this, reciprocate. Means swap the numerator and the denominator. So change division to multiplication and reciprocate the number. So now we have just a multiplication by two fractions. Multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators. 1 times 1 gives us 1. 7 times 7 gives us 49. And that's the final and correct answer. For your homework, I really complicated this or original expression. I added exponents, parentheses, a fraction, which has another fraction in the denominator. Make sure, please, to put this in the comments below and subscribe to your channel, Prime Logic, if you haven't already, and see you on our next video. All the best to you, my dear students.